Hey guys, I'm just back with a very short tutorial. As you can see, back to school items. We've got some two pen kits I want to show you, and then a keychain kit. This tutorial is just going to be really short. I'm sure you've seen my other tutorials on beadable pins and keychains. These ones are just going to be specific to back to school themed. It's kind of, my tutorials are going to be kind of to give you a little insight on our products, kind of show you exactly what's inside each kit. So if you ever have a certain kit you want to see open or out of the package before you buy it, definitely comment on one of our videos. Remember, all of our kits do come in bags like this, and they come with a bag that you can use to put in your pin or your keychain to give as a gift or to sell in and have them look really nice when you give them away. So we have the two pins. I'm going to show you first. Each pin kit is a little bit different. This one here, as you can see, comes with 3 beads, 3 rhinestones, and a pin. We don't always guarantee that all the rhinestones are going to fit, especially depending on if you guys add your own things to these pins and the order you put them on. Sometimes these rods are different in sizing and we have no control over that. But I just kind of like to throw the pins together, just look, and I go and see what I like and then just throw it on. And I usually love how it turns out almost all the time. This one here, there is 3 rhinestone spacers. If you like the little extraness of bling, you're definitely going to want to use all 3. And sometimes what's nice about these kits, like this one, if you don't love all the bling, you could save one of these rhinestone spacers for a different pin kit. So see, as you can see, they're super easy, and on these big bubblegum beads here and here, they say best teacher ever with some crayons or colored pencils or whatever that is. But that was super fast because they're super easy. Like, this is the easiest tutorial ever, is the beadable pins, because they're quick. You just thread them on. It's easier than the string because you don't have to worry about if it's fraying or, you know, any of that nonsense. It's just super easy. This one, it comes with a big bubblegum bead, 2 spacers, and a focal bead. Some people buy our kits, they use them, they put them together as what we have in the kit. Some people take the 2 kits, combine them, switch it up. You can definitely do that also if you'd like. They're up to you. They're your kits. This 17mm rhinestone is perfect for your 20mm beads. This kit we kind of just played around with just so you can have a fun big focal bead. I think I like this one with the focal bead on top with the rhinestone spacer to top it off. I like rhinestone spacers on top sometimes because it just adds a little bling to the cap of the pin. So it's a fun, easy addition. But yeah, so these are the 2 different pin kits. And like I said, some people like to buy 2 school ones and then combine them and make them their own, or they have their own extra beads. But yeah, so these are fun back to school items. You can gift these as a teacher gift later on in the year or now. Or if you are a teacher, buy one of these and make you some super cute pins. Nobody will ever know if you gave yourself a best teacher ever pin. And you know what? You deserve it. If you are a teacher, you might as well just do it. Get your own pin. This is our keychain kit. This is the keychain rod where you thread on the beads. And this we have in black, which is so fun. We have some kits that have it in black. This is going to be the 10mm rhinestone spacer with a 12, 2 silicone beads, and then that apple focal bead. Kind of just got into it there. Without saying much, I do apologize. It's been a minute since my last tutorial, so I need to definitely work on getting back onto them. And then sometimes you can see, remember, This doesn't mean it's not going to work. Doesn't mean it's not going to fit. It will fit. Silicone has so much play in it. You can pull it down, expose the threads, and usually twist it on there. And then your beads just bounce right back. Super cute keychain. Like I said, you can easily do these kits like in minutes. As you can see, this took no time at all. Just to kind of show you some different things you can do with the kits. Like I said, you can totally rearrange them however, because of course they're your kit. But we have lots of people who like our kits because they kind of give them the idea on what to do. And some people, like I said, love them because they get certain beads that they want or certain ideas, and then they create it themselves. So same with the pins, just expose the threads and you will get it to work. See? You can use a pencil instead of the bubblegum bead. That does leave me with 2 bubblegum beads, but you know what? Then you can do a whole nother pin with something else that you want. For example, I have just some extra beads floating around here. You can grab your extra beads if you're like me and just have beads everywhere, or from other kits. Throw different ones on there. Just like very like not planned in this tutorial. Just know that my tutorials are never planned and I just kind of wing it and do what I want as soon as I get started. So this is not a very professional tutorial also. Keep that in mind. I know I do things differently than others, and it's just kind of a fun little thing we do on the side when we have time. I'm gonna try and do more, but keep in mind, I do tutorials only with products that we have and sell in the shop, of course, because I want you guys to see what you can do with our products. And we have a lot of these beads that I'm pulling out here from other places in other kits and things. So you can definitely see these in our shop. We've got a lot of fun silicone mixes that have this super cute cheetah print. But if you're sassy, get a little cheetah on that pen kit. But yeah, see, super easy to just throw them together. You have beads at home, make yourself. Those were just the 3 kits I was showing you. They are for back to school. If you haven't received our newsletter recently, that means you should definitely get onto our newsletter. Go to our website, scroll to the bottom and sign up, because we do feature certain products, as well as that's where you'll see special discounts as well as the tutorials, and then you kind of see featured products that you may not have seen before, because we have tons of products in our shop. So fun little tutorial. These are just a couple pen kits and a keychain kit. We do have lots more back to school themed kits and things. We have teacher bead mixes and things like that. So check us out, sassybeadshop.com. And yeah, thank you for watching this quick, fast tutorial. I appreciate you guys.